Hey, if you're seeing this video on YouTube, you were likely sent here by either one of my referring realtor partners or you somehow found me on the internet. My name is Scott Bagwell. I'm a mortgage broker and I'm creating a YouTube channel. This is actually the first video where we're going to take you through the entire mortgage process. Especially if you're a first-time home buyer, we're going to give you a bunch of things that you need to know. So thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for watching. My aim will be to make these videos between 90 seconds and 2 minutes. This one's going to be a little bit longer because it's an intro to the process. So as you can see, I'm filming this from my office / home gym. As time goes on, we're going to increase the quality and content of these videos, but let's go ahead and get started. So if you're arriving here, you've probably just started the home search or research into mortgage process. So what I'm going to do is tell you the 3 things that you must have to get a mortgage, and stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to give you one more thing that almost every lender, bank, or mortgage broker leaves out because they're just not being thorough. So let's dive right in. What are the 3 things? Income, assets, credit. You need income, assets, and credit. It's not as scary as it sounds. Let's start with income. So what is income? Income just means you need some money via a paycheck, or maybe you're self-employed, you have a business, you need money coming in consistently and monthly that we can prove so that you are able to pay the loan. The next one is assets. Assets is the one that everyone gets kind of confused by, right? Assets does not mean you have a house or you have a collection of fine art or you have a car that's worth $50,000. All assets is bank or lender speak for money in the bank, right? Money in a checking account, a savings account, right? There's a cost to doing any mortgage transaction. I should say almost any mortgage transaction, let's say 99% of them, right? On most loans, you're going to need a down payment. On most loans, you're going to have to provide closing costs, right? So you have to have some money to pay for that. So all that to say, if you have $0 in the bank right now, you got to fix that. Let's get some money in the bank. Talk to me. I'll tell you exactly what you need depending on how much house you're trying to afford, what the loan type is, how long the loan is, etc. That's what I'm here for. The last thing is credit. Most people know about this one. You need to have a credit score. 3 credit scores is ideal. There are 3 credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Ideally, you have scores from all 3. If you don't and you just have one, talk to me still. We can try to figure that out, see what your best path forward is. So don't assume if you don't have great credit that your credit score is too low. Talk to me. Are there minimums? Yes, but the minimums are probably lower than you think. Don't want to get into specifics since this is an overview video, but you've got to have some credit history, credit score. So those are the 3 things: income, assets, and credit. If you check those boxes, then let's talk and I can give you some more information on best steps forward through the process. Now, let me go ahead and end this video. I promised you, what is that one key thing that most loan officers or lenders are leaving out, not telling you about? This is what I need you to do. There's a website called dot.cards. I'll link it in the notes for the video and provide a link on the video. It's opt-out-prescreen.com. What you need to do is put your information in here, and this removes you from telemarketing lists. Because what happened whenever you go to have your credit pulled for a mortgage, the credit bureaus, not me or your other lender or whatever bank you're working with, the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, sell your information to other lenders and let them know that you are looking for a mortgage. I mean, guys, it's criminal, to be honest with you. There's legislation in Congress to make this illegal right now. It hasn't passed yet, but it's infuriating. And what can happen if you don't sign up for opt-out-prescreen.com before you start having your credit pulled by a mortgage broker or a lender is you can get phone calls from other lenders, like a lot of phone calls, because the credit bureaus are selling that information. Infuriating, right? So what you need to do to get in front of that is put your information in opt-out-prescreen.com, sign up for the electronic 5-year opt-out, because the options are to do it on the website or send in something in the mail. We all know the mail's not reliable, so do the electronic 5-year, okay? So opt out, and I would make that the first step you do when you're even thinking about buying a house or getting a mortgage, because it takes 5 to 7 days for that to become active. And then once you get into the process, now you're opted out. If you do happen to get a phone call, you can report that company or entity. You can tell them, I'm on the opt-out list. Please do not call me. I hope this video was helpful, you guys. I know this one was a little bit long. There'll be more content coming. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Please leave a comment, send me a DM. Please subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.